are looking at two new area formulas, okay? So the area formula that you already know, what formula do you know for the area of a triangle? That's the area of a circle. Yes, that's the one we already know, right? 1/2 base times height. And we know that you can use that for a right triangle, right? That's the easy one. And we know we can also use it for a non-right triangle as long as you know the altitude, right? So that you already know, you learned from geometry. The two new area formulas that I'm going to show you today. First one is area equals 1/2 BC times the sine of A. And there's three versions of this. So if you notice, okay, if I should look at the triangle, A, B, C. Okay, so if you notice, you have side B, side C, and then the angle between them. Okay, so there's three versions of this formula. It could be 1/2 AB times the sine of C, or it could be 1/2 AC times the sine of B. I don't really memorize all of them. I just know that if I have two sides and the angle between them, that's the formula I'm using. Okay. So for instance, let's say that I have let's see. If I had side A is 90 and side B is 52 meters, and angle C is 102 degrees. So I have two sides and the angle between them. So I'm using that area formula. So area equals 1/2, multiply my two sides together, times the sine of the angle between them. Okay. Make sure you're in degree mode. And that comes out to 2,289. And this is in meters, so area is always squared, meters squared. Bless you. Okay. So that's the next area formula. So now you know two of them. Okay. The other one is what we call Heron's formula. Okay. And Heron's formula looks like this. This is kind of a weird formula. The square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So this one is kind of a pain in the neck because there's all that calculation. But what do you notice is missing from this one? There's no trig in there, and there's no angle in there. So this is when you just know the three sides and there's a missing angle. You don't have any angles. Okay. We don't know the altitude, so I can't use 1/2 base times height, but I know all three sides. So as an example, let's look at a triangle where, let's see, this is 43, and side B will be 53, and side C will be 72. Okay. So first we have to figure out what S is. Bless you. So we figure out what S is by adding all of the sides. and dividing by 2. Okay. And let's see, I get 168 divided by 2, which means it's 84. So S is 84. So A will be 84 times 84 minus 43 times 84 minus 53 times 84 minus 72. Okay, so that's going to give me the square root of 84 times 41 times 31 times 12, which equals 1,131.89 square meters. Okay. So it's not hard, it's just something new, right? You do have to memorize those formulas. I'm not going to give you, the only formulas I'm going to give you are the sum and difference formulas. So you need to memorize Heron's formula, and you need to memorize this other area formula down here. It doesn't have a name. This one right here. Okay. Okay. So there's a worksheet in Google Classroom. Looks like this. Okay, you're not doing the whole worksheet. Let me see here. I think I posted it to your site. Yeah. Okay, so you're doing numbers 1, 7, 12. I've got them all listed there. Okay. Questions for me? You might have questions maybe when you're working on the worksheet. Okay. Everybody good? All right, I will post this video.